Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best all-season tires that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Atlas Force UHP All-Season Truck/SUV Performance Radial Tire. This tire is designed for those who prioritize handling, cornering stability, and wet weather traction. Featuring quad circumferential grooves and an innovative tread pattern, it excels at resisting hydroplaning and maintaining lateral traction in challenging conditions. The reinforced shoulders and sidewalls enhance cornering performance, making it ideal for SUVs and trucks that demand precision. The build quality is impressive, with 3D sipes that significantly boost steering response and braking performance during wet conditions. It's a great fit for year-round use, but especially shines in rainy or damp environments. However, at 30 pounds, it's heavier compared to other all-season options, which could impact fuel efficiency slightly. Also, the lack of a listed price may make it harder to gauge its value relative to competitors. Overall, this tire is perfect for drivers of heavier vehicles like SUVs and trucks who need durability and performance in all weather conditions. While it lacks the versatility of some other tires, its specialty in traction and cornering makes it a strong contender for specific use cases. Pros include excellent wet weather performance and cornering ability, while cons include weight and price transparency. Coming in at number 4 is the CrossMax SUV CHTS1 102H All-Season Radial Tire. This tire offers a quiet and smooth ride thanks to its multi-pitch pattern design, which reduces noise levels over time. Designed specifically for SUVs, this product excels in load capacity, supporting up to 1,874 pounds. Its tread depth of 11.2 seconds and directional tread type ensure solid road grip and stability in all seasons. The radial construction enhances durability, while the black sidewall gives the tire a sleek, modern appearance. It's ideal for drivers who want a reliable tire for year-round use, but it's worth noting that the maximum pressure is 44 psi, which may limit performance for heavier vehicles or extreme conditions. Additionally, the lack of a listed price makes it harder for consumers to assess its affordability. In summary, the CrossMax SUV CHTS1 is a fantastic option for SUV owners seeking quiet operation and all-season reliability. Its high load capacity and robust radial construction are standout features. Pros include reduced noise levels and solid grip, while cons include limited maximum pressure and price uncertainty. At number 3, we have the Continental Grand Prix 5000 All-Season 700x32 ASTR tubeless-ready tires. This budget-friendly option, at $169.99, offers excellent performance for road cyclists who need speed and durability without breaking the bank. The tire combines the longevity and protection of the Grand Prix 4 season with the speed and efficiency of the Grand Prix 5000, making it a versatile choice for harsh weather conditions. The build quality is outstanding, with a boosted tread pattern and multi-layer overlapping ply construction that enhances grip and durability. It's tubeless-ready and hookless compatible, which makes installation seamless and ensures better puncture resistance. However, the maximum pressure of 73 psi may limit its performance for riders who prefer higher inflation levels for smoother rides. Overall, this tire is ideal for everyday riders looking for high performance at an affordable price point. It's a great choice for commuters and recreational cyclists alike. Pros include affordability and versatility, while cons include slightly lower maximum pressure compared to premium models. At the runner-up spot, number 2, we have the Continental Grand Prix 5000 All-Season 700x28 ASTR tubeless-ready tires. This premium road bike tire is designed for speed enthusiasts who want uncompromising performance in all weather conditions. It's the strongest model in the Grand Prix 5000 lineup, offering improved tread patterns, overlapping ply construction, and sidewall protection for added durability. The design is sleek and lightweight, weighing just 358 grams, which makes it perfect for competitive cycling and long-distance rides. Its tubeless-ready build ensures a smooth installation process, while the maximum pressure of 94 psi gives riders the flexibility to adjust for optimal speed and comfort. However, at $179.90, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, making it less ideal for budget-conscious buyers. In short, this tire is built for riders who demand peak performance. It's perfect for racers and advanced cyclists who ride in varying weather conditions. Pros include exceptional durability and high-pressure capacity, while cons include the higher price tag. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Continental Grand Prix 5000 All Season 700 by 35 ASTR tubeless-ready tires. This tire is the pinnacle of performance and durability in the Grand Prix lineup, offering unmatched versatility for riders of all skill levels. With a boosted tread pattern and multi-layer overlapping ply construction, it handles harsh weather conditions with ease while providing excellent grip and longevity. 700 by 35 size and maximum pressure of 65 psi make it perfect for riders who prioritize comfort and stability over speed. Its tubeless-ready design ensures better puncture resistance and a smooth riding experience. While the $179.90 price tag places it in the premium category, the value it offers in terms of performance, durability, and versatility justifies the investment. This tire is ideal for riders who want a high-performance option for commuting, touring, or recreational cycling. Pros include top-tier durability and comfort, while cons include the higher price and slightly lower maximum pressure compared to other models in the lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.